I don't usually say this, but you picked a really good movie tonight. Yeah, I know. I don't usually like romance movies, but this is I don't know, it's different. It's actually good, unlike the rest of the movies you choose. Hey. No, they aren't. You have terrible taste in movies, and I will stand by that until the day I die. This movie is the only one that isn't. Of course, that means you still have bad taste in movies. It's just one of the laws of nature. Well, every rule has an exception. That's what makes it a rule. In this case, the exception to the your movie taste sucks rule is this single movie. This one is different because of, well, because of that. Yeah, the kissing. I know, it's a romance movie, it's just, I don't know, just the way they're making out. It looks fun. Yeah, fun. I think that making out with someone like they are would be fun, you know? Exactly. I knew you'd agree with me. Hey, um, let's do it. What do you think I mean? I want to kiss you like that. Obviously, I said that because I want to kiss you. I just told you that. Because I think it'd be fun to make out with someone. And you think it'd be fun to make out with someone. So, we should make out. Yeah, we can just like make out as friends. Just for the hell of it, you know? I think it'd be pretty good to kiss you, and I have been told that I'm pretty good at it. And so you'd enjoy it fun, too. Yes, I'm serious. It's been so long since either of us have been in a relationship, and I know you've missed doing those kind of things just as much as I have. So, don't try to deny it. I knew it. See? We both want to make out with someone. So, why not do it with each other? I trust you more than anyone else, and if I'm going to do this with anyone, I want it to be with you. You're the only one I want to do something like this with. Hopeful? So, what do you say? Can I make out with you? Yeah? You want to? Oh my gosh, yes, thank you. Okay, I promise this is going to be great. I'll make this so good for you. Alright, I'm calm. Sorry, I'm just really excited to do this with you. I've actually thought about doing this with you a lot. I mean, yeah, of course I have. Hasn't anyone or everyone thought about what it'd be like to have their best friend get really close to them and look at them with those pretty eyes of theirs and kissing them until till they're both weak in the knees? I'm pretty sure everyone does. I mean, what else would I think about when I'm trying to sleep at night, but I don't want to go to bed because I'm too busy thinking about you? I mean, really, how else would I spend my free time? Oh, are we starting now? This is just like I imagined you would do. I always hoped that you'd be the type to touch my face when you kissed me. It feels so nice when someone puts their hand on my face and they kiss me. It feels better now that it's you. I don't know, you're making everything better. That's why I think about kissing you so much. Because I know that if kissing someone feels nice, it's going to feel freaking amazing with you. Hey, you're kind of staring at me. Did I say something weird? Yeah. You can kiss me. Please, just start slow. I really want to, savor this. Oh, wow. I was right. Kissing you feels better than kissing other people. It feels so much better than everyone else. Can we, keep going? Hey, why'd you move your hands? Oh, but I really like the way you feel in my face. Yeah, that feels good. Just keep your hands right there. Keep holding me like this. Oh, this is amazing. I love how it feels to kiss you. Come closer and sit on my lap. I need you closer to me. You make me feel so good. Oh, I want to kiss you forever. Hey, I think I need to tell you something. I don't think making out with you, well, I don't think I'm making out with you as just my friend anymore. I think that I'm making out with you in a more than friends kind of way. And I want that. I want to make out with you as more than just my friend. I want you to be more. I want you to be mine. I want to make out with you like we're together. Like we belong to each other. Yeah, just like that. Huh? Oh, I meant that's how I wanted to kiss you. Just like that. Like you and I were more than friends. We can? We can be like together as a couple. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'd love that. Can we keep kissing? I want to keep kissing you. You mean it? Like for as long as I want. Of course I can. I'll make sure that you enjoy every single second. So you'll never want to stop. Hey guys, Sidhu here. I know this is very different than what I usually do on my channel, but I just want to try something new. But if you guys did enjoy it, let me know down below, of course, as always. And I do have a Twitter, if you guys do want to check that out, if you want to talk to me, chat with me, or just see me being plain out stupid sometimes. If that's up to you. But it'll be down below along with the scriptwriter's credit. But with that, as always, if you are listening to this about to fall asleep, just want to let you know that good night. I hope you sleep well, and I hope you have a good day tomorrow. Bye bye.